Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for being here. This week's recipe, s'mores with layers of gooey marshmallow creamy chocolate over buttery flaky crust. Begin by blind baking the pie crust and then layering bars of milk and dark chocolate. Top off with jumbo marshmallows and go ahead and bake for about another 10 minutes until you have ooey gooey marshmallow topping. The next ingredient is going to be a simple layer of graham cracker crust. This is where you get the quintessential s'mores. Go ahead and melt semi-sweet chocolate and then smooth over top, all over creamy, smooth chocolate. At this point, you don't have to bake anymore. You're just gonna set it into the refrigerator and then it comes together overnight and you have absolutely delicious s'mores bars out of this gorgeous slab pie. So once you have your chocolate smooth, go ahead and sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles over top, mini marshmallows, chocolate, whatever your preference is. There is no direct way to make this, but the most important step here is to chill it overnight until you get everything to come together, and then go ahead and use a sharp knife to go ahead and cut into strips and then into squares. And then there you have it, your layers of chocolate, ooey gooey marshmallows, graham cracker crust, buttery flaky crust, and look at that, absolutely gorgeous. One that's amazing for summertime baking, coming together with friends and family, because after a year that we've had this summer, you deserve these s'mores. So enjoy, let me know how your recipe comes together, and thanks for watching. See you next week.